This is going to be fun. Set up and finalize master rotator link. So here's what I will need to do here. I will need to first set up my tracking links, and then I'm going to use those tracking links to pop over into my rotator link. So I have a rotator rotating my tracking links, and then my tracking links can be, if I wanted to later on, split test against different landing pages individually. I can do that. Make sense? Hopefully it makes sense. We'll see. Okay, so here is what I'll do. Okay, let me pop over here to my Click Magic. All right, before I set my rotator, I need to set my tracking links first. Okay, and I'm gonna pop those tracking links into the rotator. So links, create new link. Let's go ahead and create a new link. Link name. So I'll be using this particular traffic source. Okay, this particular traffic source I will be using for this traffic agency that I'm going to be testing, right? Solely. So I'm going to name it like that. Okay. So the traffic agency is called the traffic source. Link name. Okay, I'll just say this. The traffic source. The traffic source. Rep funnel. The traffic source, I want to say, here's what I'm thinking, okay? What I'm thinking right now is this. I've got a funnel that I've created. By the way, let's check this, okay? I'm going to go to links, all right? And previously, a couple episodes ago, I ran some traffic with a safe list, right? Hercules. And that generated me some results. And I was split testing different variations of different landing pages, right? That I built in ClickFunnels. And as you can see here, one converted at 50% better than the other. So what that tells me is I'm going to kill this and I'm going to split test this. Okay, primary URL, that was the funnel from ClickFunnels, all right, and the URL I'm just looking at here, right here, as you can see here, XEJ8. Okay, I'm going to pop over to ClickFunnels here, clickfunnels.com. Okay, and I believe it's this one here, okay, XE1J8, that's it. So I'm going to grab this URL, okay, I'm going to grab this URL here, and I will use this URL, and these are the three different landing pages that it rotates. You follow me so far? So, as my ClickFunnels, I've got 3 custom-built landing pages. When people opt into these landing pages, they go to my get response. And then from there, they get redirected to my affiliate link for the 7 steps to results funnel. Okay. And then if they want to create an account with the 4%, which is what I'm promoting, then they register, and I still add them as a registered, okay, or a buyer list, okay, member. Make sense? Again, if you watch a couple episodes ago, everything should make sense to you by now. So this is what I call a custom wrapper around my entire funnel. So I want to do this. I'm gonna run this link, okay, which is the current winner that we have. I will also run the second variation without these custom landing pages. And what I'm going to be looking for is, will I get more registrations to my 4% by not having this custom wrapper, okay? And what will be the difference in my prospects list, okay? How many subscribers I'm getting to my prospects list, okay, versus not using the wrapper. Make sense? So at the end of the day, there's 2 things I'm looking for: building my prospects list, and then building my registrants list. Okay. Again, it might not make sense to you right now. Just kind of chill back and just kind of watch and observe for now. I promise it will make sense as we progress together. I'm trying to explain. This is a little complicated thing, especially if you've never done it before. But when you understand, when it clicks for you, my goodness, you'll be unstoppable. You'll be like that mad scientist, you know what I mean? You'll be like split testing and just really going crazy with this. So just watch me, okay? I'm going to grab this link. I'm going to go over to my Click Magic. I will, okay, let's see, where's my link here? I'm going to go to links, and I'm going to create a new link, okay? Create new link, a link name. So this will be 7 steps. I'm going to say the traffic source, TTS. That will be my little note. So I'm going to use this right here, okay? The traffic source, Okay, later on I'm gonna make it so keep your documentation going, so you know which which is what, right? So TTS equals the traffic source. So that will be my traffic source, literally, right? Where am I getting the traffic? So the traffic source is the agency where I'm going to place clicks order, okay, for clicks. So that I don't forget. Second layer or second identifier here is going to be my funnel, okay? So the traffic source, I'm going to say my funnel will be 7 steps, okay, because that's the funnel I'm testing. 7 steps, and then my third identifier will be like, do I have a wrapper or don't I have a wrapper? Okay, so 7 steps, and I'm gonna identify it with like the name. Okay, so this is 7 steps version 2 ClickFunnels. Okay, this is just for me. Again, you figure out your own model for tracking. So I'm gonna say ClickFunnels, version 2. Okay. So that's what I'll do, and a link ID here will be, okay, TTS, the traffic source, underscore, I'm not sure if I can use underscore or not, underscore 7s underscore CFV2. Okay. Let's see if it's going to take it. And then here, I'm going to paste my ClickFunnels link. Make sense? Make sure there's no spaces behind it. And I'm going to create URL. And of course, it's going to say, oops, the tracking ID must be between 4 and 20 letters, numbers, and hyphens only. So I guess I can use hyphens. I cannot use underline, right? So I can just use hyphens here. Fix it to hyphens. Create. Bada boom, bada bing, we got one tracking link ready. Okay, so this one tracking link will go to my rotator. Next, I'm going to create another tracking link, and that link I'll just go to my or to my 4% members area. Okay, again, you might need to, some of you guys watching this, you might need to watch this like, maybe 10 times to really understand it. If you are just getting started, I promise you it's going to make sense. Don't like the last thing you want to do here at this particular moment. Because I can read your mind. Like, you're watching this right now, and you're like, dude, I'm getting frustrated. I can't follow along. I don't understand what you're saying. Chill. Okay, just observe. Okay, just watch me right now. Okay, it'll make sense. I promise you. I'm just messing with you. Next thing, what I'll do is I'll take, because this is the funnel I'm promoting, right? I'm gonna create a link, okay, to identify the traffic source as a traffic source, but I'm going to promote a naked link. Okay, so here's how I'm going to do it. See this? My campaign name. I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to follow the same procedure. I'm going to say, okay, TTS, the traffic source. Okay, underscore. Well, I'm just going to say it like this. TTS, the traffic source. How about that? Okay, it should take it. Get me an updated link, and boom. See, it gives me the link, says campaign equals the traffic source. Okay, so that will be my identifier. Later on, when I will look my reporting, I'll be able to say, okay, this link, here's how many visitors I've got, here's how many sales I've got from that campaign identifier, which is the traffic source, which is where my traffic came from. Make sense? Okay, so I'm literally going to grab this link, I'm going to pop over to ClickMagick, and I'll create another tracking link, okay, around that. So create a link name, TTS, okay, the traffic source, 7 steps, okay, that's my identifier, and I'm going to use raw affiliate link, okay, and here I'm going to say TTS 7 steps raw, okay. All right, and this is where I'm going to paste my thingy here, create a link, boom, I've got 2 links created. Number 3, I'm going to create a third link here, okay, and I'm going to create that link around this funnel, because I'm going to split 7 steps funnel with the custom landing page and without the custom landing page. And I'm going to split test against a second funnel, totally separate funnel, but here, this funnel, I'm going to just send traffic to the raw affiliate link just to kind of see what I'm getting. And then later on, I might add, and create additional landing pages around that funnel, just like with the 7 steps, okay? Again, this is me at work, optimizing, doing this. So I'm going to create a raw link. I'm going to say the traffic source. Well, I'm going to say the traffic source. That's it, right? Create link. All right. The traffic source. Copy that. Come back to ClickMagick. Create another link. Tracking link. See what I'm doing here? Okay. Link. The traffic source. And this is show me the money. Okay. This is show me the money funnel. See what I'm getting the name from? Show me the money funnel. It's a different funnel. It's a different identifier, right? You see the pattern here, yes? So I'm identifying the traffic, where the traffic is coming from, then the funnel. This is what works for me. Your process might be different. And then I want to say raw. Okay. Raw affiliate link. Okay. And here I'm going to say the traffic source hyphen show me the money, okay, raw. Okay, here I paste my URL, create. Now what I need to do is I need to test these links. Very, very important. Okay, test them. Here's how I'm going to do it. See all my 3 links here, I'm going to put them in a rotator. Okay, follow? All right. So I'm going to test this first one. Let's just literally click on it. Here's my link. All right, I'm going to copy the link, pop over to a different screen here. Okay. I'm going to paste it, and it should work. Okay, it should redirect me. Okay, awesome. It redirects. Good. Next, I'm gonna grab the second URL. Okay, this one, copy, just to make sure it's going to work. Okay, paste. It should take me. This is a raw link, right? So it should take me straight to my affiliate. Boom, it works, right? Okay, awesome. So third, I'm gonna check this one. Okay, copy. You want to make sure you test your links all the time. Make sure that they're working. So this should take me to show me the money funnel. Bam. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So all the tracking links are now working. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to take these 3 tracking links, and I need to put them into the rotator link, and then that rotator link is going to rotate between these 3 tracking links, but the traffic will go to that one rotator link. Make sense? All right. My video guy here, Steve, standing behind the camera, he's like, yeah, makes sense. If it makes sense to Steve, it should make sense to you, okay? Hopefully. All right. But again, if it doesn't, don't get frustrated. It's okay. Okay. We're just getting started here. All right. So check it out. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my rotators. Okay. You know what I need to do is I probably need to open another window here. Okay. Let me open another window and another tab and go to ClickMagick. Just so I can toggle back and forth, because I'll need to grab the tracking link and paste it into my rotator, so it's easy for me to toggle back and forth. I'm just going to open another tab and go to rotators. Okay, so this is my tracking link tab, and this is my rotator link. I'm going to create a new rotator. Okay, rotator name, I'm going to say the traffic source, which is where the traffic is coming from. Make sense? The traffic source, where the traffic is coming from. I'm going to use my rotator link, okay, which is my domain that I created for the rotator, my custom domain, okay, important. Rotator ID, this is very, very important. I need to identify that, because I can use this same URL for multiple traffic sources, okay, make sense? So if I can have djr100.com, I can use it, I don't need to buy a separate domain for separate traffic source. I just need one master rotator link, but I can add the rotator ID that will make this link unique to that particular traffic source. Okay, so if this is the traffic source, I'm just going to say this. Okay, the traffic the traffic source. Okay, literally like that, and see if it's gonna. I'm not sure. It might be too long, but we'll see. Okay. Now next, rotator mode. Okay, rotator mode. Here's what I'll do. If you click on this little, like, what do these mean, right? Fulfillment, spillover, random, sequential. Here, when I just click on this little question mark, it'll give you a little bit more details. Let me tell you this. Fulfillment mode you don't want to use. Okay, that's like if you're running and selling solo ads, that kind of stuff. That's you might consider. I'm gonna do sequential because what I want is I want my clicks to go, you know, they all go to this one rotator link, but the rotator link is going to split it. One goes here, second, third, third, okay? Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and so forth, right? So it's gonna just sequentially rotate between the three tracking links, which is exactly what I want. Everything else, like spillover mode, this is more advanced stuff for people that sell traffic, that wanna do, like, just, you know, you don't need it. Just do sequential and you'll be fine. Okay, just take my word for it right now. All right, rotators. Yeah, so I'm gonna do sequential here. Okay, send repeat clicks to the next URL. Okay, fine by default. Cloak rotator, no, I don't want a cloak rotator. Backup URL, I will need the backup URL. So in case the tracking links don't work, where do you want the traffic to go to so you don't waste the traffic? In this case, what I will do, you can send traffic to any funnel, any link you want. Okay, in my example, I will just send traffic to my show me the money funnel. Okay, just boom, copy that. Okay, again, you can put any, okay, you can put any backup URL you want. I don't worry about the advanced settings here. I'm just gonna create rotator. Okay, create rotator. Okay, boom, there's my rotator link created. Now I need to fill it up with tracking links, with rotator links, okay, to go inside. Here's how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go and click on this little gear and click on add URL, literally, okay, self-explanatory. Name. So what I will do is I'm going to keep the names congruent, okay? Here are the names of my tracking links, you follow? All right, so I want to keep those names congruent just so that I can connect the dots later very easily, okay? So I'm going to say this. I'm going to go to my first one here, just literally click on it. I'm going to copy the name, link name, okay? Boom, just like that. Pop over to the rotator, boom, paste it, okay? That's my link. My URL, guess what? Here's my tracking link URL. Now you notice it's got a custom tracking domain that we set up previously. Okay, you follow. So I'm going to use that. Okay, just copy, bam, you paste your URL in here. Okay, now all this stuff, position, maximum clicks, all these like bonus things you don't need. Okay, just keep it simple. I'm going to click on add URL. Boom, we've got one URL here, right? I'm going to do the same process again. Add URL. All right, and go and do the second one. Okay, so I'm gonna do the second URL here, which is the raw affiliate link. Again, copy the name. Right, bam. Okay, I might be going a little too quick for some of you watching this. So I'm gonna copy this URL, which is my tracking link, or URL, obviously, right? I'm gonna paste it in my tracking. Okay, and click on add URL. Okay, now I've got two URLs. See that? I've got a third one I need to add, so we'll do the same process for the third one, okay, which is this one. Copy the name so I can identify them. All right, I'm going to do add URL, paste the name, and then copy the link. All right, copy the link from the tracking. All right, paste the tracking link in here. Okay, again, if you like I'm sensing that some of you watching this, you like getting a little frustrated, man. Come on, chill, okay? It's all okay. You can just watch this video like 20 times, and I promise you, if you just pause it and just do what I do and just be like, look at the URLs and just like follow along, it'll make sense, okay? Some of you guys are like, this is piece of cake, easy. All right, so I've got 3 URLs here. Now, check this out, okay? Check this out. Show URLs. I can show URLs. Copy rotator link. Okay. So if I just click on it, let me see what happens here. If I give it, okay. So when I click on it, it gives me the rotator link. Now I'm not going to show you the rotator link. Well, actually, okay. Well, forget it. Okay. It'll be fine. My question, my only request for you right here, my friend, is if you notice my links, okay, just don't touch them. Okay, like don't go there, because it's gonna mess up with my stats and it will not do any good for anybody watching this. Make sense? I want it to be as authentic as possible, and you watching this, just follow, but don't go to my links. Okay, if you see any links visible, whatever, just don't touch my links, so you don't mess with my stats. But it gives me this rotator link here. Okay, so when I copy this and I start sending traffic, okay, see if I paste it in a different browser, this is my rotator. Look, it rotates me to this, okay, this one page, and if I paste it again, it should rotate me to another one. Okay, see that? It rotates between the three different funnels. And if I paste it one more time, it should take me to the show me the money funnel. Bam! See this? Now it works. Now when I go back, okay, when I go back here, all right, and I check my stats, okay, see, it shows me my total clicks, my unique clicks, okay, per link. Okay, do you see that? So how many clicks each of the links, tracking links got, and I can now go back to my tracking links over here and I refresh, and it will show me the stats in my tracking links as well in real time, just like that, right? How awesome is this? Okay, now what I need to do also is, again, right now, you know, I am, you know, at the time of shooting this, we just added the show me the money funnel just recently. So what I need to do is I need to add what's called a conversion pixel to my 4% you know, back office, affiliate back office, so that I can track my conversions for the 4% for show me the money funnel. Make sense? So here's how I'm going to do that. Show me the money funnel link. I'm going to click on gear. Okay, track, I think it's track conversions, right? Copy tracking link, track conversions. Yeah, track conversions. Okay. Sales tracking pixel. Action pixel. So action pixel is going to be my my signups. Okay, my free signups. So people that create an account with the 4%. Okay, that would be my action. I'm going to copy this little code. Okay, copy that. I'm going to go to my click or my 4%. Show me the money funnel. I'm going to go to tracking. Okay. And I'm going to say, okay, main funnel landing page tracking conversion pixel. And I'm going to say free member sign up tracking pixel. Okay, I'm going to paste that in here. Okay, boom. Free member sign up tracking pixel. Save changes. Okay, that's it. All right. And that concludes this particular step. So what we did is, again, I created 3 separate tracking links, URLs, and then I created a master rotator link, and I put these 3 tracking links inside that rotator link, and in the next step, I'm gonna order some traffic to go to that rotator link that will split test against all these different tracking things, right? Hopefully it made sense. If you need to watch this video like 52 times, do that until you really understand how this works, because it's important, okay? I will see you in the next video.